Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cheesecake graham cracker crust. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, which is roughly 10 full sheets. Then, grab 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. Finally, prepare a 9-inch springform pan for easy removal. This simple combination creates a perfect foundation. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to combine them. In a medium-sized bowl, add your graham cracker crumbs and the granulated sugar. Give them a quick stir to mix them together. Next, pour in the 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir everything until the crumbs are evenly moistened and the mixture resembles wet sand. This ensures a cohesive and delicious crust. With your mixture prepared, it's time to form the crust in your springform pan. Pour the crumb mixture into the bottom of the pan. Using the bottom of a flat glass or your clean fingers, firmly press the mixture evenly across the bottom and slightly up the sides. Aim for a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch. A well-pressed crust prevents crumbling. Finally, you have 2 options to set your crust. For a crispier texture, bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Alternatively, if you prefer not to bake, you can chill the crust in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Both methods create a stable base for your cheesecake filling. Enjoy your perfectly prepared crust.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.